it's on. I'm guessing it's on. Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday, October 5th. Pretty nice out. Well, it's 82, but it was like 68 when I got up this morning, but warmed up. So I'm out on the Spyder. It had gas, full tank of gas, so that's why I took it. And with those new front tires, it tracks perfect now. Those old Kenda tires, man, they were just all over the place. They were just bad tires. So, in my opinion, you don't need a sway bar if you get rid of those Kenda tires. It just tracks perfect. Just those tires are bad. Pretty nice day though. I'm gonna go for a ride. Gotta go over my son's house later. Birthday party. Dinner. I've been using this, what is it, the Insta 360 Pro Ace, and I shot a couple of videos on the Goldwing, but it didn't have, this doesn't have like ultra wide like like the GoPro does, but it's got action, so it should be wider. Now you should be able to see my hands, or at least not just a windshield, I hope. If it doesn't look good, I won't use it. What a nice day though. I don't know where I'm going. I'll go for a pretty good ride though. Bye. Well, I took a ride and I came home a different way, thinking it can't be any worse than the way I went up there. Look at this. The whole road was gravel, and then they watered it, and it was soaking wet. Look at these tires. I'm going to have to wash this thing. It is, oh my God, you can't even see how bad that looks. Look at that. The whole back ends. I'm going to wash it. I got, let me move this lawnmower. I got some new Super Clean. And I'm going to do clean it. I'm going to hose it off and then clean it with Super Clean, and you can see how good this stuff works. See, I even bought a gallon. It's almost done. But this stuff is incredible. I buy it, and now they keep sending me stuff. So I'm going to have a giveaway. So I'm going to get it out, hose it off, and then spray it down with Super Clean, and hose it off again. Bye. Well, there we go. I hose it off. I'm going to use my Super Clean. I'm going to spray it all over. Underneath. Gotta get underneath all this crap. Stuff's safe for everything. hose it off and see what it looks like. The black stuff coming off of there. Okay, I'm going to roll it a little bit and get to places I couldn't get on the wheels. There we go. I'll spray the stuff I couldn't get on each side of the wheel. Yep. I don't know if I like this aerosol stuff as much as I do the... Well, it didn't take the mud off the plastic. I had to wipe it down a little bit. It looks like the muffler didn't come clean, but the wheels came pretty clean. They were all covered with mud inside. Oh, they're still dirty there too. But it's a lot better. I did have to use that cleaner on the plastic. You can see it. Didn't get it off there either. So it works good on grease, but it doesn't work so good on dirt. Bye. Anyway, I'm going to have a giveaway. So you respond to this video, you'll get the winner gets a aerosol can and a spray bottle, not the gallon though. So I'm going to do a giveaway. So you got to just reply to this video. You don't have to say anything. Just reply. Bye.